Hi friend, welcome to my channel Code Solution. I'm Msahils. In this video, I'm gonna show how to install Windows 11. Let's start it. Windows 11 was released on October 5, 2011. Microsoft recommended that you, until you're notified through Windows upgrade, the upgrade is ready for your PC. But you can always follow this step to upgrade anyway. Go to the website, which we will link in the description below. The method is for upgrading through Windows 10. Before installing, use PC Health Check app to confirm your device speed to the minimum system requirement for Windows 11. Check no button. Microsoft also recommended check the Windows release information status for no issues that may affect before installing. To upgrade Windows 10 PC to Windows 11, click download no, click no. Open the installer and agree to the lesson term and to install. Wait for the installation assistant for finish downloading and installing, then restart your computer. Your computer will upgrade Windows 11 after restarting. Thanks for watching.